Hi everybody, I'm Ed with Motion Pro, and today we're going to talk about our Tiprolight wrenches, made of titanium alloys, come in convenient 4-pack or available individually also. Titanium wrenches, why would you want them? Simple, they're made of titanium, super lightweight, easy and convenient to carry in your cool pack. Come in convenient sizes, designed for your off-road motorcycle or for your street bike as well. Just for that cool factor, titanium. Why wouldn't you want anything else? Like all Motion Pro products, they're available from your local dealer, or you can visit us at MotoSport.com.